Hello, the inspections are the crucial part of the maintenance department. We have to make sure that all our properties are being in a top shape and being cared for. We are checking if all the issue has been reported before it causes any damage or danger. And as we're walking through the property during the inspections, we're looking for the sign of mold around the kitchen windows, bathroom windows. We're looking for leaks, and we also instruct our tenants how to test CO detectors or heat detectors. We're looking for a sign any illegal activities as subletting or growing illegal substance in the garden, which unfortunately happen from time to time. We're also ensuring compliance with the tenancy agreement, and the last not the least, we try to build a good relationship with our tenants, and we have to make sure that their home remains safe and comfortable place to live. It is recommended to do the inspection every 6 months, whatever tenants likes it or not. One of the tenants also have to be at the property during the inspection, as it is a training and building relationship experience. So for example, if the tenant will let us know that he lost the job, we will alert the office, and the office will be checking if the payments are not coming late. For the inspection, we are using a special software that records the condition of the property with the photos and descriptions, and it helps making sure that we don't forget to check something and we got the record of it. The person who's supposed to do the inspection, it's supposed to be someone who is similar with the tenants and also is being similar with the property. The person the tenants can trust, because they have to let us in to their home for another half an hour on an hour. And someone who has been trained with the latest legal requirements, as for example, the CO monitors has to be in the same room as a boiler is. And obviously we have to have a proof of it, otherwise landlord can facing a huge fine.